Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this lovely GSX650F by Suzuki. This one is on a 2009 on a 59 plate, and it's only covered 7,686 miles from new. So finished off in the burnt orange and black, so it looks absolutely fantastic. Obviously the bike's 11 years old now, so there's a little bit of light corrosion here and there, which you'd expect on a bike of this age, but the overall condition is lovely. It's finished off with a rack there at the back, so you can strap things to that. But yeah, it's just a really nice bike overall. I'll show you the clocks turned on, so you can see there you've got the analog and the digital. Full tank of fuel, that's always a bonus, and of course the mileage there at 7,686. Heated grips are fitted to this bike as well there by Oxford. And then as you can see over on the left hand side, for the year of the bike, it is lovely and clean. It is a fairly standard bike, so there's not much to say about all the extras, but that paint is absolutely gleaming. Right, I'll give it a start up. It's also worth mentioning these bikes are A2 compliant as well, so if you don't have your full test, you can still restrict one of these bikes. But just a super low mileage, well looked after bike, so if you do fancy it, please do give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.